now spin around. Can we go back a second to the way it was back then? I don't like where you're going with this. Has anyone ever told you you can't just make your own rules and break them when I don't give in, don't give in? And you always, always try to lose. And it's all you wanna do. Do you remember the last thing that you said when you waltzed in? All I want is the whole shebang. And no one knows what you go through to make it all look so smooth, but no one will.